Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of April 2025 for all the Capricorn Ascendant people. So first of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Sun controls your 8th house, and right now Sun is starting from your 3rd house in the sign of Pisces, where many planets are right now present, as we discussed in our last month prediction video. Sun will stay into your 3rd house till 14th April. After 14th April, Sun will move from your 3rd house to your 4th house in the sign of Aries, where Sun will be in its exalted position. 8th house will be sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life are seen from 8th house, your in-laws related matter, your spouse's families, your unearned money, your spouse's wealth, your secretive activities, all of these things are seen from 8th house. So your 8th house lord will be transiting from your 3rd house, and 8th house lord is right now transiting 8 places away from itself into your 3rd house, and 3rd house will be your efforts, your communication, your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, your ideas, your communication abilities, technology, your social media. All of these things are represented by 3rd house. So where till 14th April, you need to be very careful regarding your communication related matter, because as we discussed in previously, there are a lot of planets are right now present in your 3rd house, and Mercury is moving its retrograde motion into debilitation sign, and Mercury generally represent communication. So there are many chances you may indulge into some argumentative communication with your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, or any other person into your life, because 3rd house generally represent communication. So you need to avoid that conflict till 14th April. The sun is starting from your 3rd house, and especially till 8th April, till Mercury will come out from its retrograde motion into your 3rd house. After 14th April, when sun will move from your 3rd house to your 4th house in the sign of Aries, then sun will be in its exalted position. So you may get sudden unexpected good result regarding your properties, vehicles, comfort treatment. If you are looking to travel somewhere for a long time, then there are chances you suddenly get the opportunity to move from your birthplace to some different country. Also, you may renovate, or you may get some good result, good event at your home base regarding your home related matter, because sun will be in its exalted position. Or also you will get the great result regarding your workplace, because from your 4th house sun will aspect to your 10th house. So you may get some unexpected good result, increment, promotion at your workplace, but all of this thing will be suddenly, because 8th house is right now involved into your 4th house and 10th house related matter. Mercury controls your 6th house and your 9th house, and Mercury is right now also moving in stabilization state and moving in retrograde motion. 6th house will be the court case, your litigations, your argument, your fights, your communication, your fights, your daily routine in context of work, your debt, your loans, your people who provide you services, your competition, etc. 9th house will be your teaching, 9th house will be your teachers, your father, your education related matter, especially your post-grade education, your higher education, your long distance travel are seen from 9th house. You how fortunate you are is also seen from 9th house. You're following the rules and regulation, your second marriage, all of these things are represented by 9th house. So your 6th house and 9th house lord is right now targeting in its retrograde motion into your 3rd house in its weak sign, in its debilitation sign. That's why we were saying in sun section you may get some disturbing result. You need to be very careful regarding your travel related matter as well. You need to avoid short distance travel or long distance travel till Mercury is starting from your 3rd house. Or if you are dealing with some court case, litigation, argument, like competitive, you are doing some competitive exam right now, so you need to postpone the date, or try to avoid that communication disturbance right now till Mercury is moving into great motion into 3rd house. Also, as we discussed in the sun section, try to avoid disturbing argument with your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends. Venus controls your 10th house and your 5th house, and right now Venus is as well present in your 3rd house, but Venus is present in its good position, its exalted position, and 10th house. That's why we were saying in sun section, your 10th house, your work related matter will be going good in the month of April due to presence of your 10th house lord in the exalted position, and sun will be aspect to your 10th house from its exalted sign from your 4th house. And Venus also controls your 5th house, will be your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your children's, your love relationship, your mental, how smart you are, how genius you are, how fast you can learn things is seen from 5th house. Your early education till college life education is seen from 5th house. Fun activities also represented by fifth house. So your 5th house lord is also moving in its exalted position into your 3rd house So we can expect you will get great result regarding your love relationship. If you have children, then we can expect you will have spend quality time with your children, and they will also have great result into their life. With due to presence of your fifth house lord in exalted position, Jupiter is already present into the house of your children, like into your fifth house. Moon controls your seventh house, and right now Moon is starting from your fourth house in the sign of Aries. The positions of planets you're watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 1st April 2025, because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy, and it will be very difficult for us to describe for every house. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit into your transit chart. So first of all, whenever moon is transiting from 6th, 8th and 12,000 during these days, we can expect we may have some type of issues, problem and difficulties into our life, because these houses considered as a naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And moon considered as a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily, either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving or transiting near any naturally malefic planet from any house during these days, also we can expect you may have you during these days you can also expect you may have some type of issues, problem and difficulties in your life. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So that's the easiest way to judge moon transit in everyone's transit chart. Mars controls your fourth house and your 11th house, and right now Mars is transiting from your sixth house in the sign of Gemini. Fourth house deal with your properties, your vehicles, your comfort, your homeland, how much conveniences you will have in this life, how good properties you will have, how bad properties you will have, how good vehicles you will have, how peaceful you will spend your life, how if your emotions are also represented by fourth house, your mother's relationship, your comfort in life, your homeland is also represented by fourth house. 11th house deal with your gains, your incoming gains are seen from 11th house, your gains in bulk, recognition, reputation, enhancement of reputation, all of these things are represented by 11th house. Your support system, your sources, your friend circle, your professional circle, and all the gain in collective way is seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. So, in regards of gains, 11th house is the most important house in your birth chart, like money matters, recognition, reputation, etc. So, your 11th house and 4th house lord is right now moving into your 6th house in the sign of Gemini. And Mars was present in your 6th house previously for a long time, because Mars was moving in its retrograde motion. But right now, on April 3rd, Mars is about to move from your 6th house to 7th house in the sign of Cancer, where Mars will be in its debilitation sign, because Mars will be in its weak state into its 7th house after 3rd April. You, if you are married right now, you need to avoid conflict with your spouse, especially your verbal communication, or there are chances you may get involved into some fights and arguments with your spouse. So it's your job to avoid conflict and control on your anger, because your third house is already right now in a strong position, and Mercury is moving in its weak position. So communication, there are more possibility you will face communication difficulty only, but still you need to be take care of these matters. Your gains house lord will be also in its debilitation sign. You may get some disturbing result, and if you are looking for some marriage related matter, yeah, if you are looking for marriage or looking for some new relationship, then you need to postpone that interest till Mars will move from your seventh house to your eighth house. Means Mars come out from its retrograde motion, or means Mars will come out from its debilitation sign. So we can expect these results for all the Capricorn Ascendant people in the month of April. Our today's video monthly prediction of April 2025 for all the Capricorn Ascendant ends here. I hope you will find this video helpful, and if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.